D flat, A flat, C flat, G flat, B flat, F natural, and again. And I'm just finishing the chord, adding the middle note. And then the bass chords, E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat. Starts with E flat, C flat, right to B flat, and the melody, G flat and B flat, F natural, and then B, B, G, F, G, B, G, G, B, G, F, G, B, G, B, B, G, F. And then all together, it sounded like this. And you can roll the chord in the left hand. And we're going to hit the outside notes of the chord going to the inside notes of the chord for the next part. So it starts on E flat, D flat,